Good morning. Today we're going to do a gallery walk, and the way we do a gallery walk is a lot like this image. You're going to walk around, you're going to look at different images that are posted on the wall, and our images are advertisements. So when you get ready to go, we're going to review Ethos, Pathos, and Logos because these are persuasive techniques. And if you remember, we took a quiz, and sometimes some of us didn't really seem to get the distinction between Ethos, Pathos, and Logos. So I wanted to review it, and I wanted to give you an opportunity to do a little activity with it. So you're going to have this paper, and this gives you some good information. So Logos is an argument itself, reasoning, using logic, using evidence. So here's some different things: definitions, factual data, sometimes quotations, citations, informed opinions, those kind of things are Logos. Ethos is character and ethics. So we're looking at the profession, the background of the person, their credibility, how trustworthy the person giving the message is. So Logos is about the message itself. It's about the facts and statistics that are given, whereas Ethos is going to be about the presenter. Do we have credibility in the person who is talking? And why do they have credibility? Sometimes you're going to look at, the vocabulary they're using, the grammar, how things are formatted to see if it's making an argument based on their credibility and trustworthiness. And finally, pathos is emotion. So you want to look at words and images, vivid descriptions, things that evoke an emotion. And it can be lots of different emotions, like there's humor, sarcasm, disappointment, excitement. There's sadness and happiness and, all the different emotions. That's pathos. A lot of ads will use more than one, okay? They will try to have a person who is very credible using logic. Okay, so that's a good way to do an argument. You combine more than one. But I want you to focus today, try to figure out what is the main focus that they are taking. Okay, so when you get that, the next step is going to be each of the ads are numbered, and you're going to decide whether the main persuasive technique they're using is Ethos, Pathos, or Logos. And you're going to write Ethos, Pathos, or Logos in this box. And then over here, you're going to write a sentence to justify your answer. So that's the process that we're going to take. And as we are in the gallery walk, you're going to take your paper, you're going to take a pencil with you. You're going to walk around, and it doesn't have to be in order. You don't have to go sequentially 1 through 14. You can bounce around, and you are going to look at each ad, decide if it's the Ethos, Pathos, Logos, write a sentence justifying your answer, and then once you get through all 14, you're going to have a seat. Now, this is the big important key, is that there's no talking in a gallery walk, okay? So we're not going to be talking while we're doing this. Once everybody has a seat and has made their own determination about if it's Ethos, Pathos, Logos, then we'll, in our table groups, we're going to talk about which one you decided that it was, okay? So that's going to be the first part of our activity for today, and a little bit later I will share with you what we're going to do at the end of class.